How to share Apple Music subscription with family.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many Apple users often wonder about: how to ensure all family members are sharing the same Apple Music subscription. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up and share your Apple Music subscription with your loved ones seamlessly.
What is Apple Music family sharing?
Apple Music offers a family plan that allows you to share your subscription with up to 6 family members. It's cost-effective and ensures everyone in your household has access to millions of songs, playlists, and more. But how does it work? Let's dive in.
How to set up family sharing.
1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. 2. Go to Settings greater than your name. 3. Tap Set up Family Sharing, then follow the on-screen instructions. 4. On your Mac. 5. Choose Apple Menu, System Preferences. 6. Click Family Sharing and follow the on-screen instructions. Note: the person setting up family sharing becomes the family organizer. They're responsible for the shared payment method and can choose what features to share with the family.
How to invite family members.
1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. 2. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than Family Sharing. 3. Tap Add Family Member and enter your family member's name or email address. 4. On your Mac. 5. Choose Apple Menu, System Preferences. 6. Click Family Sharing, then click Add Family Member and follow the on-screen instructions.
How to confirm everyone is using the shared Apple Music subscription.
1. On the family organizer's device. 2. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than Family Sharing. 3. Check under the Apple Music section to see if all family members are listed. 4. Family members can check on their devices. 5. Go to Settings greater than your name, greater than Subscriptions. 6. Confirm that Apple Music is listed and that it's part of a family plan. And there you have it. That's how you can ensure all family members are sharing the same Apple Music subscription. Now, every member of your family can enjoy their favorite tunes without the need for multiple subscriptions. Happy listening, and I hope this guide has been beneficial to you.